HBL is the largest bank in Pakistan by any metric, any imagination, any business line, financials, balance sheet, the way you look at it, right? We honestly feel that that is not the end. In fact, that's just the start. Given the size, scale, the influence that we have in this country in particular, we honestly feel that there's a lot more we can do in this country, particularly in economic development and growth. Right? And that is where I think we are focusing on as we move forward. Pakistan is a large country. You know, as you just mentioned, half the world population, including in Pakistan, is women, largely relatively more excluded than men. So being the largest in Pakistan, having 1,700 branches and so on, you know, we still feel that that is not enough. So I will give you a few examples which kind of explain as to why and what we are doing to actually promote and increase our participation to support the Pakistani economy. And we are here to make it work. So thank you very much, Visa, for working with us. And inshallah, together we will make sure that it goes to the level we want it to be, very slowly but surely.
Omar is responsible for Visa's overall strategy, including business development, resource optimization, and building long-term relationships with our clients, regulators, and key stakeholders to drive the development and growth of digital commerce in Pakistan. Omar is a highly experienced executive with over 20 years of global and cross-industry experience.
Jahara. And I mean, before I get into it, I was thinking, so Amir has very eloquently put up the problems and the opportunities and the things we need to do in a large scale. And one of the things that research shows, I have read it a few times, some of you might be able to relate to it, and I would like to share a small anecdote. When women are empowered, when they are included, when they're able to generate income, the impact on their families, communities, societies is profound. The impact on future generations is profound. And the anecdote is that one of my colleagues, just this morning at the Visa office, as part of this conversation, was telling us a story, and it was established that after 11 years of marriage, the husband is better at managing and raising the kids, and the wife is better at managing the finances. वो कहती है अगर मियाँ करता है तो 25 तारीख को ख़त्म हो जाते हैं पैसे, मैं करती हूँ तो अगले महीने के लिए भी सेविंग होती है. So there are examples and opportunities. काम बहुत सारा हो रहा है, बहुत कुछ change हो रहा है because of digital inclusion, because of digital technologies. I'm pretty sure if I ask around, a lot of you must have ordered cakes from home-based bakeries, discovered businesses that are being run by women, technology businesses that are being run by women. And like Amir also said, they need all the support and enablement we can give. Almost all of them want to either digitize their business or scale their business to the next level. अगर वो आज Insta shop पे products बेच रही हैं, they'd like to go and sell it on the likes of, you know, market leading marketplaces. अगर वो marketplaces में हैं, they would like to export.
हम HBL में we are very excited about this program. As you know, the largest bank of Pakistan, we are very very clear कि हमको पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी को डेवलप प्रोग्रेस करना है, तरक्की करानी है. इसके लिए दो बड़ी की ज़रूरत है पाकिस्तान में होती हैं, वो हैं विमेन और दूसरा है SME बिजनेसेस. हमारी 50% हमारी आबादी जो है वो ख़वातीन या औरतों में मुश्तमिल है, और इसके साथ अगर आप एग्रीकल्चर को हटा दें तो रफली 50% of the economy is small medium businesses. Through this program with Visa, HBL is trying to bring together women in small businesses to make Pakistan's economy prosper and women grow. The entire focus of this entire program is women and small businesses, and we're very glad and very thankful to Visa to partner with the largest bank of Pakistan, HBL, and hopefully together पाकिस्तान की बेहतरी के लिए हम ये स्कीम लेके आए हैं ख़वातीन के लिए. इंशाल्लाह दुआ कीजिए कि ये सक्सेसफुल हो.
जैसा कि आपने पहले भी सुना कि हम शीज़ नेक्स्ट का इनॉग्रल प्रोग्राम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में HBL के साथ. HBL हमारा पार्टनर है इसमें. इस प्रोग्राम में वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अक्रॉस एनी सेक्टर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं. ये प्रोग्राम की एप्लीकेशंस आज से ओपन हो जाएंगी, और 5 विनर्स जो इस प्रोसेस से गुजरेंगे उनको $10,000 की ग्रांट पर पर्सन और 1 साल का मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम वीज़ा और HBL के एक्सपर्ट्स की तरफ से मुहैया किया जाएगा. और इसमें तीन हमने एक रिसर्च कंडक्ट कराई पाकिस्तानी वुमेन बिजनेसेस पे, और 3 ब्रॉड थीम्स आइडेंटिफाई हुए जहाँ पे उनको मदद चाहिए फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, फंड रेजिंग और बिजनेस प्लानिंग में। डिजिटाइजेशन एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया उठ के आया है, जहाँ पे बेशक कैशलेस पेमेंट्स हों, डिजिटल कस्टमर इंगेजमेंट हो, डिजिटल मीडिया स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हों, और तीसरा जनरल ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट। तो हमने इन 3 थीम्स पे जो कि इस रिसर्च से सामने आई, उनके अराउंड अपना ये मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम बनाया है, जिसके थ्रू विनर्स को गुजारेंगे हम। इसमें वीज़ा ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च, वीज़ा शी इज़ नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम दुनिया में काफ़ी जगहों पे चल रहा है, पाकिस्तान में पहली दफ़ा लॉन्च हो रहा है, और ये वो काम है जिसमें जितना अच्छा बड़ा पार्टनर हमें मिले, जितने लोग मिलें, इस काफ़िले को ज्वाइन करें, उतना वो अच्छा है।
Happy to have launched She's Next in Pakistan for the first time. She's Next is a global program it's a global program by Visa, and we're very happy to partner with HBL. So we're inviting women entrepreneurs across Pakistan to come and apply to be one of 5 winners to win a grant worth $10,000, 1 year of coaching with Catalyst Labs, and also to have entry to our She's Next Club, where you will get access to mentoring, training, and networking opportunities. So please, if you're a woman entrepreneur, please take the opportunity to take part in She's Next. We really want to see you succeed, and we're so happy to have launched in Pakistan today.